Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in this video I'm going to share 5 ways can you still style your hair when the frizz is too much. So stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Okay, I'm back, and I am going to talk to you about starter locks. Now, you guys know when you have embarked on this journey, you want to do the thing right, but the frizz comes and you don't know what to do, or your hair looks funny and you don't know what to do with it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways you can manage that a little bit better by using some tools. Now, one thing that you see right here is a head wrap. I like to call it a lock sock. So I'm going to show you what I did really quick. This is way number 1 where you can tame the frizz. Now, my hair is, I've been locked for a year and a half. So I'm going to show you a way that you can minimize the frizz. So I'm taking this lock sock, and I have a variety of them. Now you can get, this is a lock sock or a lock cap or whatever you want to call it, a long headband. It's like a multi-purpose band that you can get. I have a few here at the beauty supply. A lot of motorcycle people use it. It's kind of one of these things where you can use it like this, or your mask. You can use it as a neckband, and so forth. So I'm going to show you a quick style using, let me show you 2 quick styles using this method to hide the frizz. Now, of course, if you're working at an office, you can do something like this. Maybe you can get away with something like this at the office. Okay, maybe you can get away with something like this. It depends on your office and your people. I also did a style like this, and I'm gonna try to insert some pictures of when I was just starting out on my lock journey. I used this, and I kind of, you see how I kind of did like a little, I'm gonna show a little hair, and then it puts it out to the side, okay? Or you can take it and do it to the front. You know, do it to the front, a little spiky spike to the front. You can take it all the way up and encapsulate it, you know. Sometimes you can just put it to the back like this. You know, you get the idea. So you can use this as a way to style your hair. I used it as you saw in the opening piece of the video. I did this to it. So all I did was just roll my hair like this in a roll, if you have enough hair to do this, okay? And I'm just gonna basically tuck all of that into to it in the back, because this is tucked in. I'm just gonna tuck it in. Okay, and I'm just gonna, you can leave some hanging down, you know, do it like that. You can have hair hanging down, you can just have it tucked in. This is a quick go-to style, and depending in your office, they may allow this or not if you work in office, okay? That's one way you can hide the frizz, okay? Another way you can hide a frizz, if you don't have one of those lock socks, is just use a scarf. And you can do the same thing. I'm gonna post some videos where I have my hair in a scarf, And of course, there are plenty of other videos out on YouTube. I will post a few of those if I find them in the description. But again, you know, put it to the side to hide the frizz. Pull it up. Cover it entirely with a scarf. You can do that, but here's just using a scarf to do the same thing. So first thing is the lock sock. The second way is with a scarf. A third way is with a hat or a cap. Okay, so I'm gonna get this cap or hat. And of course my head is very big, but you get the idea. These may not, a fedora may not work for you, but it may if you don't have much hair. A fedora or a hat or a cap. I have a cap here. You can find these at the beauty supply too. If you can get away with wearing a cap, you can put a little cap action, you know, do it like a beret to hide the frizz, so to speak. And you know, be cute with it. I'm sure there are plenty of ways you can style it, okay? So this is way number 3. The fourth way, let me see if I have it. And you can get these, of course you know about these, right? But you can get them in a wider band, like a headband. And of course, all you do is use it to pull the hair away from your face. Okay. Alright, so there you go. And you're just gonna pull your hair away from your face. And of course, I will also include just styling your hair in an updo. If you want to see those videos, I'm not going to demonstrate that here because I have tons of videos. So guess what? You can like and subscribe and then watch as many of those videos. I have several of those where I do lock updos, and they're mostly geared for starter locks because they're not meant to stay, those styles are not meant to stay on the hair, in the hair more than a day or two, okay? So those are all what I would consider starter lock styles, okay? To prevent frizz, this is the fourth way. You have a band, and bands come in different sizes and shapes. You can move the band up if you want to get creative. Of course, this depends. I mostly gear my styles for work and my religious meetings, so I want to be more conservative, but with my styling. But again, you can style it however you like. Okay, that's way number 4. And way number 5 is a combo. Way number 5 is using a wig, using wigs, or styles on styles. And what I mean by that is I will include, of course, a video. And I don't have, I think I dropped my hair. Oh, here it is. Okay, so just to demonstrate, when you're growing your starter locks, you can style locks on top of them. You can do it either individually or you can braid your hair down and crochet. If you would like to see a video on how that is done, I will link one in the info card above. And those are my 5 ways. Now, just a point of warning when you're styling on top of styling, like putting wigs on top of your locks, or putting something like this or a twist or a braid on top of your locks, is that first of all, you don't want to leave it in too long. You don't want to do it too often. Moderation is the key. When you're doing anything with locks or anything with natural hair, or really just in life, moderation is key, okay? So that way you will make sure you have a healthy hair of locks. And I think that's it. That is all that I have for you today. So until next time, stay wookie.